In this video, I'll show on how to work with Minority Translate tool and what kind of possibilities there are for users. Pretty much the first thing you'll always do after starting the program is setting up some articles for translation. So let's do that now. If you don't know from where to start, then there is a suggestion list. It includes things like 10,000 most important Wikipedia articles and list of most needed medical articles. So let's check the last one. Program will ask the most recent list from the server and show it. List is sorted into subtopics and it includes information about if there already is an article about that topic or not. And now we're taking one, or I don't know, let's take maybe two articles from that list. Articles will be downloaded from the Wikipedia servers. One of those examples here shows how it will look like if there isn't an article in your wiki, and the other presents the situation when there is one. Next to the wiki text, you could also check how will that text render. This together with the text coloring should help to understand how does the writing into Wikipedia work. There are also other ways on how to browse the text, and there will be even more of them in the upcoming program version. Just use the OK button to leave the align view. But if you go back to adding articles, then there is a rather cool thing to do, that is adding a category of articles. Let's change the target language at first, as we would like to write article into English Wikipedia, as then you will be able to understand what is written there. So, back to editing category. We'll use the Estonian Wikipedia as base and take the category Lakes in Harju County. It will take a few moments for the program to download the requested articles, and there were many of them. Some exist in English Wikipedia and some don't. We need to select something to start with. At first, we'll type in the article name, and then there is the bal function. It's like a very clever copy-paste. It can translate links, templates, and categories with the help of Wikidata, but you could train it to do a lot more. And here's the result. It will also present the source text for the reference. If you would like to make a lot of articles in similar topic, then there is one other trick as well, snippets. It has like 9 places where to store text pieces that you'll need to often, and so you could recall them at any moment with the Ctrl+ number. I will now make some quick edits. Some of them could also be automated, but it will then be more difficult to understand from the video what just happened. Just play around with the tool yourself and test the various functions. It will help to remember them and get the use of them. You will also translate rather long articles with it, but if you are working with some small wiki, then short articles will do just fine. To really get the small language wiki off the ground, you will need to build the basic framework of articles at first, and this tool is specially designed to speed up that article creation. For instance, when making articles in a similar topic, like the articles about all of the lakes in Estonia, for example, then you could easily create well over 100 articles a day. Just leave more tedious tasks to this tool and focus on actual writing. One example of those tedious tasks could be adding the interwiki links to Wikidata. If you upload the article later, then it will automatically add those links. You don't need to worry about this. One more interesting function is autocomplete. I will now show this with some categories. When everything is done, then there is time to upload the article. For that, you will need to be logged in to Wiki, as program will upload the article under your own user account. The indicator light in the upper right corner shows the current setup. Red means the recent internet connection, yellow means that there is internet connection but you are not logged in, and green shows that everything is ready for upload. When you don't want to upload the article right away, or there isn't internet connection, then you could save the session and continue working with it later. I'm now closing the program and then reopening it. As a next thing, I'll open the previous session from where I saved it, and it's all as it was.